Yo, what's up everybody, it's Dinesh, we've all been there. Your phone battery used to last all day, but now it dies before lunch. It's frustrating, right? You're out and about, need to make a call, check directions, and bam, dead battery. In this video, I'm going to break down the real reasons your phone battery drains so fast. I'm giving you actionable fixes that actually work. So stick around and let's get that battery life back to 100. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Your screen. It's the #1 battery hog on your phone. If your brightness is cranked up all the way, 24/7, your battery is going to pay the price. Head into your settings, go to display, and make sure you have adaptive brightness turned on. This lets your phone automatically adjust the screen brightness based on the ambient light, saving you precious battery life. Also, set your screen timeout to something more reasonable, like 30 seconds or a minute. This little tweak can make a surprisingly big difference in your battery life. Alright, next up we're diving into the world of background apps. These are the sneaky apps that are constantly running even when you're not using them, quietly draining your battery. Go to your settings, find the battery section, and look for app usage or background activity. This is where you can see which apps are using the most battery, even when you haven't opened them recently. From there you can limit their background activity and prevent them from being such battery hogs. Simple as that. Let's talk location services. Super useful, right? But man, they can drain your battery like crazy. Most apps don't need to know your location all the time. Go into your settings, find the location section, and then look for app permissions. This is where you can see which apps have access to your location and change those permissions. For most apps, switch it from always to while using the app. This way they only access your location when you're actually using them, saving you a ton of battery life. Alright, next up, let's talk about those pesky push notifications. The constant pings, buzzes, and alerts from social media, emails, and every app under the sun. Notifications can be helpful, but they're also a major drain on your battery. Every time your phone buzzes with a new notification, it wakes up the screen, uses data to retrieve the notification, and just generally consumes power. Go into your settings, find the notifications section, and start customizing. Turn off notifications for non-essential apps. Prioritize what's important and silence the rest. Your battery will thank you. Here's a sneaky battery drainer you might not even realize is happening. Poor signal areas. When you're in an area with weak cellular signal, your phone has to work extra hard to stay connected to the network. If you know you're going to be in an area with spotty coverage and you don't absolutely need your phone for calls or data, consider switching to airplane mode. It'll disable all cellular, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth radios, giving your battery a much-needed break. Simple and effective. Let's talk about some more sneaky battery drainers: auto sync and updates. These are the processes that happen in the background, often without you even realizing it, and they can slowly but surely chip away at your battery life. Head into your settings and check your accounts. Do you really need all of them syncing automatically? Disable sync for accounts you don't use frequently, or at least switch them to manual sync so you have more control. This can save a lot of battery life. Easy fix, right? Alright, we've covered a lot of ground, but I've got a few more bonus tips to help you squeeze every last drop of life out of your battery. First up, embrace battery saver mode. Most phones have a built-in battery saver mode that can significantly extend your battery life. Enable it, especially when you're below 20%, and watch your battery life get a nice little boost. And finally, let's talk about charging habits. Avoid full discharges. Instead, aim to keep your battery between 20 and 80%. This range is considered the sweet spot for lithium-ion batteries and can help prolong the overall lifespan of your battery. Simple habits, big impact. So, there you have it, the real reasons your phone battery is draining so fast, and more importantly, the practical fixes that actually work. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. I'm dropping new videos every single day, so make sure you have notifications turned on so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.